Meridian is a plugin that helps us spatialize mono and stereo tracks visually. So if we will go to the effects panel of one of the brown tracks, we will find the Meridian right over here. If the Meridian has two dots, it symbolizes a stereo track. And if it's a mono track like this one, number 5, we will see that we have only one dot because it's a mono channel. Now, over here we can load a video. We can load any 360 video. This one specifically is not the same video from the tutorial, but it will work for this example to show you that when I'm moving in the timeline, it moves with the video as well. Now if I were to single out number 5, now I can move it around and it will change depending on the track. That is being sent to Earth and Sky to add the HRTFs in order to spatialize it, and then we have a spatialized mix. I do want to say that I think it's a great tool because you really get a visual opportunity to position your sound right where it's supposed to be, which is a little harder to do with Facebook 360 Workstation. The Meridian opens any video format and it's very, very flexible.
And the next way to deal with panning would be using this Meridian, turn it on, turn it off. So those things don't actually spatialize, they are panners.
Yeah.
They pan, you send the track to whatever you want it to do for spatialization. So on 13, I'm using the resurround. That's where the singer was standing. It was just off center. If I bring up Meridian, you can see that he's right here, just off to the right. So that's being bussed to whatever I want it to be. If I know that I'm not going to send anything above my head, I would just bus it to Earth. If I knew I wanted to automate this thing above and below my head, then I would send it to both Earth and Sky and just move this around. And that's just busing.